Hello again, here in the cave. Got the 4Runner on the bench. We're gonna modify the suspension today, try gain some more flex, and then we're gonna go ahead and do some appearance upgrades. Take some Plastidip, paint it black, and try and make it look more like a bedliner. And it's gonna add some protection and hopefully a more realistic look. I also recently just inquired a delivery from RC4WD, of course. Some nice goodies. So this is the stock suspension. As you can see, when I lift the front tire, barely like a 1/4 inch off the ground, not even 1/2 inch. The rear tire wants to lift. Not much flex at all. So hopefully we can attain more. We'll see if I go here with a standard green painter's tape. I'm gonna place it under the middle of the tire, and the rear is about 1/4 inch off the ground there. So I got the 4Runner upside down here, and the first thing we're gonna do is remove the lower leaf spring here. So we're gonna head and flip the vehicle back over, and then you're gonna take these 2 screws at the top off, and then we'll remove the lower leaf. After you got the 2 screws out, simply grasp the lower spring only and remove it. And put the 2 screws back to hold the leaf spring back in place. Simple as that. And repeat on all 4 corners. For the front, it's definitely a lot easier to take the shock out of the way before you attempt to take the leaf spring out. We have now removed 4 lower springs. And let's check the results. So we got the green painter's tape here again. Center of the rim. And wow, look at that. It's already almost touching. So we definitely gained almost a 1/4 inch of flex just right there. So let's go ahead and take a look at the shocks now. See if we can get some more. So we've gotten our first shock off. Very satisfying. We are now going to take the top off, simply unscrews, and there is a spring inside. We're gonna take that spring and we're just gonna remove it. That way we should get even a bit more flex out of this. So repeat on all 4 and let's see the results. So both sets of springs are removed. Let's take a look at the results here. So again, standard painter tape, center of the wheel. And rear tire is fully touching. So literally just removed some screws, took out the springs, and we're onwards to achieving the results I'm looking for. We definitely still got some work to do. For now though, I'm gonna drive it, as I haven't driven it much, and a lot of people have been saying to really just give it a drive and let the springs naturally work in. Alright, so now that we're done with the chassis, we're gonna go ahead and work on the body. So we're gonna get this ready for some Plastidip. So I want to go ahead and remove the roll bar and this rear seat to start. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and peel this now while it is slightly wet. Beautiful. Let it dry now, and we'll come check it later. Put it back together. Alright, it is complete, and I absolutely love it. I think it came out fantastic. Looks much more scale in my opinion. It's like a proper bed liner. Definitely drop a comment, let me know what you guys think. Love it. Much more scale. So if some of you noticed, my side mirror is missing. My lovely goat, River, decided to eat it one morning. There she is.